Hello, and thank you for watching this presentation on Valleyview Infrastructure Renewal Project. My name is Gage Gagnon from the City of London, and I'm the Project Manager for Valleyview Avenue. We are sharing information a little bit differently this year to ensure public safety and follow COVID-19 restrictions on public gatherings. This presentation is part of a Project Update Meeting, or PUM, for residents to learn more about project details and impacts. Neighborhood Street Reconstruction. First, we'd like to share a little about neighborhood street reconstruction happening across London. The city is committed to maintaining strong and healthy communities through safe and accessible infrastructure. As roads deteriorate over time, they can begin to crack and show distress. The city identifies neighborhood streets in poor road condition and reconstructs them in the spring and summer. In some cases, these projects present an opportunity to include a new sidewalk where they currently do not exist, in compliance with City Council approved London Plan policy. Each project is different with its own design, timeline, and infrastructure that needs to be replaced. We hope this presentation can introduce you to the work that is being planned and help answer some of the questions you may have. Project Overview. Project Location. The project limits are Valleyview Avenue from Kipps Lane to Melisandre Avenue. Works to be completed. The city will replace the existing water main installed in 1961. The new water main will be made of polyvinyl chloride, more commonly known as PVC. PVC water mains are less likely to leak or break and will provide better flow. You may even notice an improvement in water pressure. All water connections will be replaced to property line. Homeowners will be notified by flyers placed in their mailboxes a minimum of 48 hours before any planned water disruptions. But during construction, unexpected issues may arise where homeowners may not have water, but crews will work to restore the service as quickly as possible. The existing fire hydrants will be replaced with new fire hydrants. Additional fire hydrants will be added along the street. This will provide for better access for fire trucks in case of emergency. Works to be completed. The asphalt roadway, curb and gutters will be removed and replaced. The top coat of asphalt to be installed in 2023. Existing catch basins will be removed and replaced. Additional catch basins will be installed, thus improving road drainage on Valleyview Avenue. Installation of new sidewalks from Kipps Lane to Melisandre Avenue. Project Design. Draft Design Drawings. Here, you will see a typical engineering design drawing. Shown the storm sewers in green, sanitary sewer in red, and the water main in blue. The new sidewalk is also shown in the drawings along the east side, shown in light green. This drawing shows the homes from house number 339 to 369. Please pause the video to take a longer look at the drawings at any point. Draft Design Drawings. This drawing shows the homes from house numbers 361 to 387. What's ahead for construction? Pre-construction phase. Any trees that will be affected due to construction impacts or health concerns will be removed. All remaining trees within the city right-of-way will be protected with a 1.2 meter high orange fencing supported with metal T-posts and 2x4 bracing along the top. The overland water main will be installed and tested. Construction phase. Removal of curbs and asphalt. The existing catch basins will be removed and replaced with additional catch basins being installed. Installation and testing of new water main. Placement of new curbs and gutters, asphalt, and sidewalk. Sidewalks. Sidewalks. New sidewalks will be placed along the east side of Valleyview Avenue. The sidewalks will be 1.8 meters wide with no boulevard between the curb and sidewalk. Upgrades will be made to connecting sidewalks on Kipps Lane and Melisandre Avenue. Sidewalks. This slide shows the location of the sidewalk on the east side of Valleyview Avenue. Trees. Tree assessment. During the design process, an assessment is completed by the city's forestry division. This assessment includes an evaluation of the tree health, size, and species, including recommendations for tree pruning, tree protection during construction, and identification of trees for removal. Tree removals. Tree removals are identified where the tree health is considered as poor and a removal is coordinated with the project, conflict with the installation of new infrastructure is unavoidable. The tree removals is a joint decision between the city's forestry division and the engineering project team. Tree planting. The city has consolidated yearly contracts for tree planting across multiple projects. The tree planting is not a part of the construction project and will happen a year post-construction. The city's forestry division will assess and plant trees where applicable. Parking during construction. Parking and driveways. Access to driveways will be maintained except for times when work on driveways and curbs are completed and when the water main installation is in front of the homes. Cars can park on adjacent streets when this work is being completed. Parking enforcement will be notified that construction will be ongoing and parking on adjacent streets will be allowed overnight. Questions or comments? Questions or comments? Finally, we'd like to share how you can engage with our project team. If you'd like to ask a question or leave a comment, please use the City of London's public engagement website, Get Involved. You can provide feedback at getinvolved.london.ca/Valleyview. We recognize that not everyone is able to access information online and will ensure residents receive a project update in the mail about this construction. If you would like to request information in an alternate format, please contact me and we will work together to best share information with you. I can be reached by email at gonyu@london.ca or phone at 519-661-2489, extension 8411. Thank you for your interest in the project and we look forward to keeping you informed.